February the 27th is Tuesday. This is the cara orange, which I had removed the topsoil and excavate the root flares a couple of weeks ago, and it's putting out new growth now right here. And I'm just basically going to remove this particular branch, because it's basically it's too much, and I'm gonna graft it to something else, to another tree. So this guy here, should have done it sooner, but oh well. So see, this is what happened there. See, this is a lot. There were a lot of branch dieback. So hopefully, the exposing the root flares will basically help stop the tree from all these branch dieback. Okay. So the reason I'm removing this is because there's too many branches coming out from there. It's going to be too busy, and then as it gets older, it's going to have to compete with the rest of it. And then I'm going to have to remove this dead branch. So I found a branch here that I'm going to stick it on to. So because of the citrus greening disease, we're not supposed to trade or purchase science from other places, from other people. So the University of Riverside had a scion program where you can actually purchase it directly from them. So they have a whole bunch that you can buy it of different varieties of citrus. So it's not that bad. It's like, for something like this, it's like they will give you like the minimum requirement is that you need to purchase 2 sticks. So it'll be $6 for 2 sticks plus shipping, which is like I think $10 or something like that. And then so it's not a bad deal, So it comes to about $3. So if you purchase more, it'll save you on the shipping. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So in order to prevent the citrus greening issues. Okay, so I'm going to stick it right here. So yeah, I purchased several varieties of citrus, and I didn't even realize for mandarin there are early season mandarin as well, which are usually mandarin like Satsuma, you don't harvest until December. So they have October, early season October mandarin as well. So I bought a couple of that as well. And then if you like, the late season, I really like the honey. Honey is awesome. So I'm about to harvest a couple of them right now. Honey is delicious. Okay. and I order a whole bunch. Did a group order 6 rolls. It was like $14. I don't know why it's so expensive now. It's like I saw it on eBay or Amazon. They're going for like, I don't know, a lot of money now. So yeah, if I guess it's best to purchase your cuttings from UC Riverside. I'll put a link to their website too. It's very simple, just register for it and then sign up and then make the purchase and payment. That's it, and they'll come to you. So I think the next shipment that they will have is going to be in April. So there's quite a whole bunch of variety that you can choose from their website. And there you go. So I did this one here a couple of weeks ago. I don't know if that is the new shoot. And then there's a couple more in here. And then some right here. Oh no, that's this one here, that's a thorn. So that's a thorn. So yeah, it comes in this packaging. They ship in this package. Saturday, March the 9th. So I grafted this one that I got from the UC Riverside. The sign I got from UC Riverside. So I think I grafted back in late January. So here you can see. It's actually taking it. It's good. So this is a Cherimoya. So it looks like this one also took. This is the Satsuma from one of my tree there, right there. That's my Satsuma, and I grafted last year as well. So right here, see. So I guess the Satsuma is known for its limpy, branches. So I have to stake it up. And this was the graft of a, I think, golden nugget, which I bought from Costco. I didn't really like the mandarin, the golden nugget that much. So I didn't take good care of it, so it just died on me. So and then these two sprout came out, so I grafted something else, my Satsuma and the cara orange onto it. So this is going into second year now, so it looks pretty healthy. And then this is the navel orange that I bought from Costco. It's doing pretty good. I think how old is this? Is same time I bought this Satsuma, so it's about over 8 years old, and it was originally in this pot, and I move it into that pot, into this nursery pot, because the idea here is to cut out the bottom of the pot and just let it sit on top of the soil and let the roots, do its own job. So this is the honey mandarin. It's delicious. It's the flavor, the aroma. It's so much stronger than the satsuma. I like satsuma too, but it's a bit bland compared to the to the honey. And basically, with the honey, I'm trying to look for a good one, a ripened one. So with the looks like I found one. So with the honey, the only problem is that it smells really good. The rind, the skin has a really strong, such a strong aroma compared to the satsuma. And a couple of weeks, I guess a few weeks ago, I was taste testing it, and it was sour, a bit sour. Now I think it's just only problem is that it has too much sweet. So, it's sweet now. The only problem I don't like is the sweet. The one that's called a honey, because it does taste like honey. It's super sweet. Let's find another one. Let's pick another one here. So sweet. And the skin, the rind is really thin compared to the satsuma. See? It has a lot of juice too. I guess it's good for juicing if it has too many seeds. The sweetness, it's just sweet. There's no sourness at all. So it's like, when you go to Asia, if you ever had sugar cane juice, and they basically put in a little bit of when they basically make it that sugar cane juice, press it, they basically add these little lime that has strong smells to it. So I guess it's the same thing, similar smells to that lime that they put in the sugar cane juice in Vietnam. So these are ready to pick.